Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get free hosting in 2024 using freehosting.com. It's a fantastic option if you want to host your website without spending a dime. Let's get started. Freehosting.com offers a robust free hosting plan that includes 10 GB of disk space, unmetered bandwidth, and the ability to use your own domain, all with no ads. First, head over to freehosting.com. On the home page, click on the Sign Up button to start the registration process. Then, just choose the hosting plan that you prefer here. For this tutorial, let's just choose free. Then here, you can register a new domain, transfer a new domain, or use an existing domain. Let's just use an existing one. Then, as you can see, this is our order summary. And we don't have to spend even a cent here. Now fill out the registration form with your details like your email, password, etc. Once you've registered, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on it to verify your account. After verification, log into your freehosting.com account. Now you'll see your dashboard. Here you can manage your hosting account, create email addresses, and much more. To access cPanel, click on Services in the dashboard. As you can see, it still appears pending, so you just have to wait for it to be active for a couple of minutes. Now, as you can see, after a couple of minutes, from 0, now it changes to 1, which means our hosting plan is now active. So, click on Services again, then select your hosting plan. Then scroll down and click on the Login to Direct Admin button. Welcome to cPanel. This is where you can manage your website files, databases, email accounts, and more. In cPanel, you can click on System Into and Files and use the File Manager to upload your website files. You can create databases with MySQL Database Wizard and set up professional email accounts. If you want to install a CMS like Wordpress, on the left side, click the Softaculous Apps Installer. It makes installing WordPress quick and easy. You have full control over your website. You can monitor your website's performance, manage security settings, and even back up your site. Regular backups are crucial to ensure you don't lose any important data. And there you have it. That's how you get free cPanel hosting in 2024 using freehosting.com. It's a fantastic way to start your website without any cost. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.